All right, before I start my truck, and by the way, I've seen all the comments that people just want to hear it start. But before I start it, I'm going to show you a couple things. I'm going to go test drive it right now. This is the video after my scissors through the radiator, little snafu. I'm leaving the fan shroud off, if you see, because I want the system to pressurize, and then I want to monitor for leaks anywhere. I advise strongly against leaving the fan shroud off, because what it'll do, it'll start sucking in the air over here, and instead of through the radiator, because it's no longer being funneled and being forced through the radiator, so the cooling will be affected. I do have my my tuner up there that also includes gauges, and so I'll monitor. I'm not going a far distance. I just want the system to pressurize and see if it's not going to leak. I'm using hose water. I already see that it already mixed with a little bit of EAC coolant that I had left, which is awesome, because that'll be sort of like a dye. Here I'll see it leak. Again, I'm gonna run that for a couple of days and get rid of it. I'm gonna back flush it with some distilled water and then mix it still in EAC cooler. And then again, it'll be a short distance without the fan shroud. I just wanted to pressurize. If you see over there, I left that hose off, right? Because I didn't want it to get sucked in right here and get cut up. I did bypass it right there. I closed off this valve right here so it won't leak, so the filter will be all right. I wanted to show you this. At some point, I used an old retired boost gauge, and I mechanically, wait, this is not supposed to be there. We don't want you to get hurt. This is just extra horsepower, if you wonder why I blow my transmissions. Anyway, so mechanically used it to tell me the pressure in my coolant system. I am going to be exchanging it for a digital actual coolant pressure gauge, because this took a while to let me know that I had a leak when the scissors went through it. So I need digital, man. I need to know immediately when it happens. All right, let's start the truck. Guys, like and subscribe and comment. I love the comments. I love to interact with people. So let's see. Let's hear you, baby. People want to hear. There it is. No problem. That's my low side pressure oil gauge. I know the numbers are moving, but it says 45. It's building the pressure. That's for my fuel. It says 81. I have the blue spring kit. This is the gauge I'm gonna get out of there. Let's see. I know I got a juicer up top of it, and you don't like that. But anyways, guys, so yeah, let's go for a ride. And if there's no follow-up to this video, it means everything went well. Let's close the hood. All right, video cut out. Sorry, guys. Temperatures are good. It's good. Yep, deltas are all right. Turbo flutter's back, baby. All right, this concludes, I think, my scissors through the radiator saga. Not bad. Comment, like, follow, subscribe, y'all. I like interacting with people. Nice.